The unity and the love of the Four12 churches this weekend has touched many lives.
The presence of the Lord this weekend was so amazing. I was filled with His Spirit, I received my tongues, and I'm just on fire for the Lord. I'm so excited.
To see what God has been doing all over, and even here in the Eastern Cape, is getting people out of their boxes to worship the Lord and being free. And it's just been such an encouragement, and I'm so excited for what God is doing in His body.
This weekend was just a confirmation of many things that He said over my life throughout the years, and it was just an opportunity for me to be taken out of my comfort zone as well, like through the prophetic dance and the prophetic singing, things that I would have never done, in my own capacity.
The flow of the Holy Spirit, the unity amongst us. We are so grateful to the Lord, and we just feel like our cups are overflowing.